Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So I hope you are all doing well. You can download the Hindu or any kind of newspaper analysis from our Telegram channel, friends, right? So here the Telegram channels are given below on the following links. The links will be given in the following description box, and you can WhatsApp me for this following number for any further queries, that is 9640123412. Let us move further. Here today's our agenda is MCQs based on 6th class NCERT for all kind of competitive examinations, exclusive for UPSC prelims, right? Exclusively for UPSC prelims, and the chapter will be from 6th class NCERT, history NCERT. The first chapter is how, when and where, right? How, when, where. So this is your chapter name, so you can go through it. Before attempting these all questions, my humble request to you all guys is to read the chapter for a while, right? Read the chapter at least once, then you try to attempt this question. It will be worthful for you, right friends? So without getting delayed, let's get started. The first question of the series is James Mill is option number A economist and option number 2 philosopher. Choose the correct code. Option number 1 only 1, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, and option number 4 neither A nor B. So choose the correct answer, friends. So do pause the video and try to attempt the question. Let me know in the comment sections, right? Your answer should be typed in your comment section, friends, so be fast. Now let me tell the answer for this first question is, the answer is only A is the correct answer. He is an economist, friends, right? James Mill is an economist. He is from right. So let us discuss the further details in next slide. So the question related to mains, right? The question related to James Mill, which will be taught, we will see several times, which we saw in several times in mains examinations, friends. That the question is, write a note on John Stuart Mill's theory, right? John Stuart Mill theory of value and principle of utility, or what do you understand by the theory of utilitarianism? Critically analyze the usefulness of the theory. All right, next we will see further here. So second question, what do you understand by the term colonial? So what do you understand by the term colonial? These kind of questions are very much favorite topic of the UPSC. It's becoming a favorite topic of the UPSC in nowadays, so please focus on such kind of things. The first option is the subjugation of one country by another. Second question is the subjugation of one king by another. Choose the correct code. Option number 1 only, option number A only 1, option number B only 2, option number C both A and B, and option number D neither A nor B, right? So let me tell you the answer. The answer here is only 1 is the correct answer, that is subjugation of one country by another, right friends? For example, Alexander is trying to conquer India and acquire it, right? And similarly here many examples are there which are related to one king is subjugating another king, but it is not true, because the term colonial came from the British India, right friends? British India, right? So by this reason you can eliminate the option number 2 here easily, right? So our answer will be option number 1 is the correct answer. Next we will see question number 3. First statement is the practice of surveying become common under colonial administration. The practice of surveying become common under Mughal administration. Choose the wrong code. Here you should choose the wrong code. Option number A, only A. Option number B, only B. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, neither A nor B. Neither A and B. Right, friends? So, tell me the answer. Tell me your answer in your comment section, friends. So, now let me tell you the answer. That is option number. Here we need to choose wrong code, right, friends? Wrong code means option number B is the correct answer. Statement number B, that is only B is the correct, right? The practice of surveying become common under the colonial administration, which is correct statement, and it is a common in the Mughal administration. It is a wrong statement, so you need to choose a wrong code. So option number B is the correct, that is option number 2 is a wrong statement. Next we will see another question which is related to unit 1, that is chapter number 1, that is how, when, where. Right, question number 1 is, that is statement number 1 is, James Mill divided Indian history into Hinduism, Hindu, Muslim and Christian. And second statement says James Mill divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British. Choose the correct code. Option number A, only 1. Option number 2. Option number B, only 2. Option number C, both 1 and 2. Option number D, neither 1 and 2. So James Mill, so he divided India into 3. So in which he has divided? And similar question has been we saw in our first slide itself, right? James Mill is a economist, right, friends? He is an economist. So he divided Indian history into 3, that is Hindu, Muslim and British, but not Christian, right? So by this reason option number 2 is the correct answer. So this is directly question from NCERT, right, friends? NCERT, you can refer it. That's why I am again and again saying that read at least once before attempting this questions, right, friends? I am saying the chapter number, source, everything, friends. So be cautious about your prelims, right? So don't neglect it. Next, who is the first Governor General of India? Warren Hastings, Lord Mountbatten. Choose the correct code. Options are given below. The correct answer is only A is the correct answer, that is Warren Hastings. So that is it for this video, friends. So do subscribe this Acquire IAS channel, friends. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.